guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, okay? And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. And yeah, so today's video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this locks, this what is it called, the Jozi lite dred. Yeah, it's called the Jozi lite dred. I'll I'll insert the things that I used to achieve this hairstyle, and yeah. And I wanted to do this video because I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube where there's tutorials for people with short hair, and I have long hair, so I was like, what do I do now, so there's a trick, that I came up with, and it worked. So watch out, until the end of the video to see what I have done, because with this Jozi lite dred, you don't want this wrapping to reach until like here, because now it would look like Faux locks, you know what I mean? So yeah, what I did is, you'll see you'll see what I did, and yeah, it worked. So let's go. So I have a little trick, yeah, and it worked. So watch. Yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in, and then take out your hair and put it here, and then bring it back in. Go. And then you take this hair piece. I cut it in half. I cut the one bundle in half, yeah, and it's still long. So, but then if you want the extra long, like below your ass, you have to not cut it. So yeah, this one I cut it, and it's pretty long. Yeah, I'll show you guys the length after. So you unravel it like this, right? And then when you're done, you are going to do this. You see? Grab the hairpiece. See? And then you wrap it around. First, wrap it around 2 times here at the bottom, so that it can stay, stiff, and it won't unravel. Yeah, so then after wrapping it 2 times, you can then move forward. Now there'll be parts where you're left with this. I did this on purpose. I unraveled a short part so that I can show you that if you've unraveled a short part, this will happen, and it is no problem at all, because you will take a small piece. You'll cut just a small piece from the hair piece, right? And then you divide it like this. You unravel it again. You see? And then you continue. So you continue wrapping. Then now it is done, but it's gonna like stand up like this because it's still new, but you can do this or put a head wrap around it. Yeah, big do, so that it can like lay on. This one I'm gonna unravel it pretty much longer than the last one because I wanted to cover the whole thing. I don't want to use an additional hairpiece, you know. Yeah. And sometimes you don't do it on purpose. Sometimes you do it the half, thinking it'll last the whole. Hey guys, I don't know. Thinking it'll last the whole, you know, wrapping part. But then if it doesn't, you know, it's no train smash. You just use the little hairpiece that I showed you. So yeah, I want to make this long so that it won't give me problems. Yeah, I think this is too much, but let's do it. Okay, then again. And then you wrap. 1, 2. You can even do 3. Yeah, depends. Then move. Voila! And you are done, guys. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this point, thank you so much. Please look out for my next video. I will post. I don't know what it will be, but just watch out for more content because I am ready. I am coming in full force this year. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys. I hope you liked it. Please leave a comment, you know, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.